I don't think there's any catfish out there, no. Huh? Oh, hi, my name is Mr. Mike. You must be here to learn how to write letter C. Turn to the Writing Letter C page on page 15. Can you see the C letter? Great, okay. Listen and follow along with me with your small letter C like this. Around. Great job, well done. Alright, the next one is small letter C. We write Is that a plastic carrier bag or a jellyfish? I think it's a jellyfish. Oh, hi, my name is Mr. Mike, and you must be here to practice listening for letter C. Turn to the Listening for Letter C page on page 16. Can you see the pictures? Great. Okay, you need to listen and circle the letter you hear. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1, car. Car. Okay, are you ready? The answer is C. Oh my God, did you see that? There's a man who just flew across, like holding onto the vine. Oh, hi, my name is Mr. Mike. You must be here to draw a line for letter D. Turn to the Draw a Line for D page on page 21. Can you see the pictures and the numbers? Great. You need to listen and draw a line from the picture to the letter you hear. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Disc. Disc.